How to use convert function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explain video series, I'm going to explain how you can use the convert function in Excel. Let's get started. The convert function usually converts from one unit to another. Like we can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, foot to inch, mile to kilometers, hours to minute, and the list is so long that I had to write it here. Okay, so you can convert all these units to different units using this convert function. Okay, you can convert weight and mass, distance, you can convert time, pressure, force, energy, power, temperature, volume, and there is a lot of option. Okay, now these are the parameters you must understand, and let me just use the convert function, and while I'm using I will explain the parameters so you can understand. Okay, now let's write here 1, here 1, 1 and 1. Okay, now I'm going to convert hour to minute. So here I'm going to write equal to and then write convert. Okay, and you can see we have our convert function listed here. Converts a number from one measurement system to another. Okay, I'm going to double click here and the number will be 1, which we have in cell A2. I have selected it and I'm going to add a comma. Now what do we want to convert? I want to hour to convert to minute. So from unit will be hour. I'm going to scroll down and find hour, and here we can select hour, and you can see you can either double click here or you can write this short form within double quotation HR. Okay, both will work. So I'm going to double click here and I'm going to add a comma, and one of the most important thing happened here. We can convert hour to only this measurement. Okay, you cannot convert hour to a distance. Okay, that's why your time measurement should be from and to will be in the same category. So our hour measurement we can convert it to minutes. So I'm going to double click here, and you can see when I double click any of the name, it gives us the parameter in short form and within double quotation. It's really important. Convert function is case sensitive. If you write here capital H and capital R, it will not work. You will have to write the exact parameter in exact case. Okay, and of course within double quotation. So we want to convert hour to minute. We use the convert function. Our first parameter is number. Either we can hardcode number here or we can select the cell where we have our number. Then we give a from unit measurement, which unit we want to convert from, and then to unit measurement, which unit we want to convert to. Now once it's done, I'm going to close parenthesis and press enter. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Again, I can do it for mile to kilometer. So I'm going to write here equal to convert number. I'm going to select this. From unit will be mile. I'm going to write here within double quotation mi. You can see I have written small mi, and I'm going to convert it to kilometer. For that I'm going to write small km and close parenthesis and press enter. And you can see we have converted our mile to kilometer. So in this way you can use convert function to convert from one measurement unit to another in Excel. And you will have to remember a few things. First, you must write the parameters within double quotation. You must make sure the parameters are in the same case because this function is case sensitive. You cannot convert time to foot. So you need the same measurement units. Okay, you cannot measure distance with Celsius or Fahrenheit with temperature units. So you have to make sure if you are using temperature, you can use units related to temperature. Okay, and once you have done it, there is always a lot of parameters, and I'm going to add a link in the video description. From there you will be able to see all these parameters, and they are a lot. Whenever you need something, you can check the link, and I will be adding it in the video description. Please check it from there. Now this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.